What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. We've got the 2020 Hot Wheels C case. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Granatoys. Granatoys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. The regular treasure hunt for this case is a grass chomper, and the super treasure hunt for this case is a Jeepster. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if we get one of those treasure hunt cars and see all the other cool cars inside. We'll go ahead and pop it open. And we'll start right up top right here. Let's grab our first few cars here. First one, we have the brand new Rockin' Santa's sled. That's a really cool looking casting. We'll definitely be opening that one up in the future. Total Disposal, and I believe this is a new one as well. I haven't seen this one before. And the one that I've been looking most forward to is the Volvo 850 estate car. This is such a cool looking casting. All right, let's go ahead to our next ones up top right here. We've got the Porsche 944 Turbo. We saw that one in the previous case. We've got the Heavy Hitcher and the Ford GT40. There was also a super treasure hunt variation of this from the 2020 B case, and there's still a possibility we can get it in the C case because sometimes super treasure hunts do vary from case to case. Let's go to our next one. We've got Robo Race Robocar right there. It's an interesting casting. We've got the Bat Plane. Wow, that's big. That's a big casting there. You can hear my phone to the side of us here. We've got the 2008 Lancer Evolution. Wow, that's nice. Advan on the side, the black, the red, the gold wheels. Looks good, looks good. We'll be opening these ones up in the next case, but for this one, we'll be seeing all the cool ones inside. We've got a Skull Shaker, new color variation for that one. We got the 70 Ford Escort Rs 1600, and I believe this one comes as a Hot Wheels ID edition car, so it's possibility we'll get that in this case as well. There is the Jeepster Commando, and this one is not the Super Treasure Hunt variation. No, it's not the Super Treasure Hunt variation. This is the mainline variation of it, but this one does come as a Super Treasure Hunt. Go ahead and put that one aside. Let's go ahead and see. Ooh, check these ones out. The Porsche 917 LH, I love that color variation of it. And 68 Nova, check out the livery on this one. Isn't that, wow, that's so cool. I am lost for words even what to say for that casting. That's a really cool looking one. Then we've got the Mazda Rx-7, 95 Mazda Rx-7. We saw this one in the previous case, and I had an Air one of this one in the previous case as well. So go back and watch that video if you want to see that. And let's go ahead and see BMW K1300R. There we go, motorbike. We don't see many motorbikes anymore, but from time to time we do get them. We've got the 76 Greenwood Corvette. I like that casting. We saw that one previously as well. Roger Dodger, new color variation of the Roger Dodger. How do you like that one, guys? I like it. I think it's cool. Put that aside. Next up we've got is High-Tech Missile. High-Tech Missile. We've got Head Starter, and we got another one of the Bat Planes. Put those aside. And we've got Twin Mill Gen E. We've got the Ford GT40, and we've got the Hot Wheels Armored Truck. And next up, we've got Hyper Rocker. There's a Hyper Rocker. I like that casting. I think it's kind of fun. Another one of the Volvo 850 Estates, and another 95 Mazda Rx-7. And next up beside that, we've got the Roller Toaster, always a fun casting. The High-Tech Missile, and ooh, this is a new one. This is a new one as well. We got the 65 Mustang Convertible. And actually, funny enough, they did make this one previously, but they haven't released it for a while, so it's kind of fun that they have it. So here we go. We'll put that one aside. And next up, oh, we got another one of them. There we go. 65 Ford Mustang Convertible. I'm not sure if it was a 64 or 65 they previously made, so this could be a new casting. You guys can correct me in the comments. You guys know a lot as well. We got the Total Disposal, and we've got the Sword Warthog. And There we go, getting to the bottom of the first row. Power rockets, new color variation of the 96 Porsche Carrera, black. We saw it in white, we saw it in blue, now we get it in black. I like it. Another Porsche, we got the 917 LH, which we already saw previously in this case. And that's the first stack. Getting down to the next stack, we've got Poison Arrow. Wow, okay, that's like a jet plane, Poison Arrow. We got the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, the longest name casting that we've ever seen. We've seen lots of different color variations of those ones now. Dune it up as well. And next up, we've got Pedal de Metal. Okay, that's a new casting. Haven't seen that one before. Then we've got Roller Toaster. There we go. And we'll pull some down here. A few of them are a little bit bent in here. Like this one right here, you can see that one's kind of bent. We got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. We've got Grass Chomper. I think this is the treasure hunt. It is the treasure hunt. There we go. There's a little treasure hunt logo just right on there. So Grass Chomper, our treasure hunt. Chrysler Pacifica, new color variation. And 8 Crate. That's a cool looking casting. Some sort of like hot rod type of thing. There we go. And Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. I like that. That one looks cool. And then another one of the Hyper Rockers. And we'll pull some more castings from up here as well. Ooh, look at that one. All right, so we got Cool One. We've got the 2 Jet Z. That's the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winter car from 2018. And we've got the Heavy Hitcher. And then we've got HW450F. The dirt bike. And then next up at the top right here, another one of the Chrysler Pacificas, and we've got the custom 71L Camino and another one of those 76 Greenwood Corvettes. Moving along to the bottom, we've got Rockin' Santa Sled, another one of them, Cruise Bruiser, and the Gruppo X24 or Gruppo X24. I never know if I'm pronouncing that one right. There it is. And we got the embosser where you can put a piece of paper in here and then stamp it down and it stamps something on the actual piece of paper. So try that if you have the embosser car. We got the 68 Chevy Nova and another one of those Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismos. There we go. See, I got it down pat now, guys. We got the Hot Wheels Armored Truck is our next one. The Slide Kick, and this is such a cool casting. The RV there yet. We saw that one in the previous case. We got another one of those. And getting down here, what do we have? Ooh, that one's neat. 64 Impala, Chevy Impala. And this one looks like it's a tuned out variation. It is tuned. It's from the Tune series. That one's a neat one. I like that. That looks fun. We'll open that one up in the future. 68 Dodge Dart and the Dodge Viper AC8. I'm losing my speech here. Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. There we go. We got it, guys. We got it. All right. Next up, we got custom El Camino, Pollinator, and the Super Van with the king on the side. Just says Super Van, so it's a very super van. And our last 3 cars, we've got the Roger Dodger, new color variation, and we've got that new 2008 Lancer Evolution, and the Pollinator. And as always, highlight cars from the case. Let's go ahead and look at the 8 cars that I picked out from the 2020 Hot Wheels C-Case as the highlight cars. 65 Ford Mustang Convertible, the 64 Chevy Impala tuned out variation, I really like that, and the 96 Porsche Carrera or Porsche Carrera, however you guys want to pronounce it. The proper way though is Porsche. And we've got Total Disposal. I think that's a fun fantasy casting. It's a new fantasy casting. Can't wait to open it up and kind of see how it works with that back end. Does it open up? I don't know if it does. We'll open it up on the next video, guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Check out the next video. We'll open them up. Next up, we've got the Volvo 850 estate car, one of the ones I was looking forward to. I think the livery on there looks really cool. And the 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, or it doesn't actually say Mitsubishi. I just noticed that. It just says Lancer Evolution. So I don't know why. Maybe is it too long that they can't fit Mitsubishi on there? I mean, they put the Porsche Sport Turismo, blah, 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 blah. They can fit that on there, but they can't fit Mitsubishi. I don't know. 68 Chevy Nova is our next one. And last but not least, the 8 crate. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below, which were your favorite cars from the 2020 Hot Wheels C case. Unfortunately, we didn't find a super treasure hunt. Maybe we'll find one in the next case. But until then, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.